Hey guys, it's Ethan here from Airsoft Venom. Today we're doing the shooting test of the KWC Desert Eagle 58E. Very interesting gun. I've already loaded the magazine, just an overview of how you do it. You load the CO2 in the side and then tighten it with the little set screw at the bottom with the included Allen key. And then with a speed loader that is also included, you will load up the BBs by placing the speed loader on top, filling the tube with BBs, and then pushing them down with the rod that is part of the speed loader. Now for shooting, I have the Desert Eagle here, and we'll get to shooting semi-auto about 20 feet away. Here we go. I'm just gonna shoot until I run out of BBs. And there you go. We are out. So we'll do that there, put this on safe. Okay. Now let's head down. So overall, this is a very, very accurate gun. So I did shoot it a little bit just to make sure it's working, and it is all, so here's the bullseye. I know this is a homemade target. We're gonna get some more soon for like some actual real steel gun targets. Be very nice instead of paper plate. But overall, aiming for the black dot in the center, this is very accurate. It's hit basically about a 3-inch grouping, I'd say that is. Yeah, that's about 3 inches. Right to the top left of the dot. So, you know, very, very good. As you can see all the hits right here. Some got the dead center, which is very nice. You know, it's very good. So, now, 1 second. Like I said in my previous video, I have shot this before, and it is very, very nice. The kick is it's pretty strong for an airsoft gun. I've shot a CO2 1911 before, and all of that. But this kicks pretty hard for how heavy this actually is. So it's very nice. Shooting feels very high quality. I haven't had any jams or malfunctions really. The worst I had a leaky mag, but I screwed in a CO2 cartridge a little bit too tight and it burst the seal. So I have an extra mag for that now. That's about it. Thanks for watching. I'm Ethan, signing out from Airsoft Venom.